Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the area of a circle. A circle, like any other shape, it has a special formula to find its area. The formula is A equals pi r squared. A stands for area. Area equals pi r squared. Let us see some examples to understand how to work out the area and how to find the area of a circle. The first example we can see that the circle has a radius of 6 centimeters. That's all we're looking for, the radius. Now we can put it in our formula. A equals pi r squared. A is the area, pi times the radius is 6 squared. Make sure you grab your calculator. Let's do this together. Pi times 6 squared, which is 6 times 6, 113.1 to 1 decimal place. In your calculator, it should say 113.09. The 9 rounds off the 0 and becomes 113.1, and we know it's centimeters, so centimeters squared, square centimeters. That is the answer. That is the area for the circle. Pi times 6 squared. 6 is our radius. Pi times r squared. Pi times 6 squared. 113.1 centimeters squared to 1 decimal place. This is how easy it is. We always look for the radius. Let's do some more examples. The next example. We have a circle. It's shaded in green, so the area we would like to work it out. And we are told that the diameter is 15 centimeters. But we know that the area formula for a circle is pi r squared. We don't need the diameter, but the information says that the diameter is 15. We want the radius. We know the radius is half of the diameter. Half of 15, 7.5. So make sure always we half the diameter and we get our radius. In this case, half of 15 is 7.5. Pi times r squared. Now, again, grab your calculator. Let's do it. Pi times 7.5 squared. And our answer, area of this circle, is 176.71. And this is to 2 decimal places, 176.71 to 2 decimal places, centimeters squared. So here we have 176.71 square centimeters. That is the area. It's shaded in green. Once again, it is easy. However, we are looking for the radius. In this example, we were given the diameter. We have to be extra careful. We change the diameter to make it a radius. We half it, 15. It's halved. It becomes 7.5, and we put in our answer and in our formula, and this is our answer straight away. The next example, we're going to find the area once again, but we notice that it's not a full circle. It's part of a circle. It's a fraction of a circle. It's a portion of a circle. So the area equals pi r squared is for a full circle. However, here we don't have a full circle. So what do we do? Let's watch and find out. A equals pi r squared. That is for a full circle. We notice here that in this diagram, in this figure, we can tell that this is a part of a circle. We can tell that is actually 90 degrees. 90 degrees out of the full circle. 90 out of the 360. So we multiply our formula by 90 out of 360 degrees, meaning we only want to work out 90 degrees out of the total 360 degrees. What do? We substitute our information. Pi times, what is the radius? The radius is 8. We can see it's marked in yellow there. 8 centimeters is the radius of this circle. 8 squared times 90 out of the 360. We only want 90 degrees out of the total 360 in the circle. This is the fraction that we are working out. Grab your calculator and let's do it. Pi times 8 squared times 90 over 360. Our answer, 50.27 square centimeters to the nearest 2 decimal places, 50.27. Again, we're not finding a full circle, we're finding a part, a portion, a fraction of a circle. In this case, we're only finding 90 degrees. How do we know it's 90 degrees? Because of the mark, the square where we can see that represents 90 degrees. So here, pi times 8 squared times 90 out of 360. This is the fraction that we are looking for. We're only looking for 90 out of the 360. We put in our calculator. Our answer is 50.27. Let's do one more example. Our last example. Again, we are asked to find the area of this figure. We notice that again, it's not a full circle. It's part of a circle. So again, we use the same formula, A equals pi r squared. Let's write that down. A equals pi r squared. That is for a full circle. Here, we only want a portion of a circle. What portion is that? We are told that that circle, it is opened up, that portion is 225 degrees. So we only want to work out 225 degrees out of the total 360 degrees. So our formula for a full circle times 225 out of the total 360. We substitute our information. Pi times the radius is 12 times 225 over 360. Pi times 12 squared times 225 out of 360. And we grab our calculator and we do it straight away. Pi times 12 squared times 225 over 360. We press equals 282.74 square centimeters to the nearest 2 decimal places. So 282.74 square centimeters, that is the area of that portion of the circle. Again, we always make sure we put it in fraction, 225 degrees out of the total 360 degrees, and we multiply it by our normal formula for a circle, pi r squared. So the formula, memorize it, A equals pi r squared. That is the formula for the area of a circle.